I'd like to show how to make the SOCS website behave more like an app so that when you're using it on your phone, it's easier to find the SOCS website. In this example, I'm going to use an iPhone, and the first step to make is to open Safari, the web browser, and go to the school website as normal. And then open the main menu on the right hand side, and towards the bottom is a link to SOCS. So if I click on that link, and then SOCS opens as it normally would with the mobile version of the website. And SOCS gives all the information you need to see your or your daughter's fixtures across all the sports at the lower and senior school, and the information you need to be able to get to the venue for away matches, for example. And once you've got SOCS loaded as normal, you can then choose the share button at the bottom of the page and then scroll across, and you're going to take the option to add to home screen. And when you do that, you're presented with the name of the icon that you're going to put onto the home screen. And I like to relabel that from sports. I like to relabel it to SOCS because that's what we call this part of the website at Queen's. When I've done that, I tap on Done, and then on my home screen on the iPhone, you can see now there's an icon with the Queen's logo with SOCS listed underneath. And then simply at any point, if I want to go back to the SOCS website, I can click on that icon and it takes me directly there to save having to go through the school website main menu.